Alrighty.
We have some homework.
All right, cool.
Eva, are you out there?
Yeah.
Hi, honey. What kind of problem do we have for tonight?
Eva, are you out there? Yeah.
Okay, Eva, while I'm walking over to the board, can you turn your TV down so that you can listen to me in the phone?
Yeah, sure, no problem.
Thank you.
So it's a common factor out each expression.
Okay.
And it's 63x3.
Okay. What's 63x cubed minus 27x?
Yes.
Okay. All right, so what did your teacher teach you to do?
So I'd have to first draw a factor tree.
Okay, and are we going to keep the x's with the numbers, or are we just going to do the numbers? Which way does your teacher teach at?
First, usually my teacher would do the numbers.
Okay, we'll do that. So we're going to do 63 for one of the factors, and then 27's the other one, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so what number do you know will divide into 63?
9 and 7.
Okay, so 9 times 7 is equal to 63. Now,
Yeah.
rather than going down to all the prime factors, do either of these two numbers, 9 or 7, also divide into 27?
Yeah.
Which one?
9.
Okay, so and 9 times what is 27?
3.
All right, so now we know that we have the 9 that's common in both of them, right?
Yeah.
Okay, now if you look at the 7 and the 3, is there any way to break those down? Because 7's what kind of number? Is it prime or composite?
A prime.
It's a prime, so it's really broken down. Is 3 prime or composite?
Prime.
Prime, so we're done, right? The 9 is the best we can do. So now what would your teacher have you do?
After down the 9, I draw another triangle and do 3 and 3.
Okay, but you don't have to, because we've already proven that 9's in both. We don't have to break it down to prime numbers.
Oh, okay.
Okay, because we've already found 2 that are in common. So now we've got to do the x cubed and the x, right? So what does x cubed mean?
X cubed, like XX.
And so how many x's?
2 x's.
Oh, it's x to the 3rd power. So how many x's? It matches the powers, yes. And then we have just a single x, right? So now the way I've written it out is I have 3 x's on the top and 1 x on the bottom. How many x's are in common? Just that.
2 x's.
Just
that one.
Just the one in each row, right? All right, so now we know what gets factored out. The 9 is in common, so we're going to factor out a 9, okay? The x is common, so we're going to factor out the x, all right? All set?
Okay.
All right, so now, with 63, the 7 was left, right?
Yeah.
So that's going to go inside the parentheses. So we're going to put the 7, and with the x cubed, how many x's were left when we factored out 1?
2 x's were left.
2 x's, so we have x squared, okay? Now we bring the sign down, the negative, or the subtract. What was left when we factored the 9 from the 27? What was left?
What?
9 times what gave me 27? What was left when we factored?
3.
The 3. So the 3 goes inside, and we didn't have any x's left because we factored the 1 out, right?
Yeah.
So we're all done. That 3 is all that can go in there. All right, Eva? All right. I hope that helped you. Thank you.
Yes, it did.
All right, great.
No, thank you.
Thank you.